Mauni guys, among saging. Balag saging basta labing. Agay. Sana all. Hindi pa ito. Saging diri kay bisag di puson kay daghan kay kapili na ito.
Ano tag imong tukuan na?
Di sa mana saya kay di lagi puso ambay. May buktok. Sa ayo tagoro na ba? Ako saging ngani bisa gyud saging. Sana ko. Dako kay bul pa gyud. Saka boleh nga sakto na ako gabahot.
Ingahan anak lay. Nabaya usay nay uban nga. Bisag di mo buhat ng tanan. Di mo biya na ito.
May pamipao.
Tamis kayong Bisaya ang saging lagi.
Nagdugo nga ang
May Bisaya girl. Bukit yung sa talabay.
Siyudad eh.
Nagpabilin siya gihapon.
ang buhay sakit sa gugmata.
Inay.
Mataho ang ating mga gibalaan na tungduha.
Inay.
Ito ang tangan ipagkanta.
Ang lagaw.
Nga gibalaan. Sa
Payag,
gugma
payag.
git panumpata. Guys.
Mapayag sila.
Inaan na rin magkanta di ay.
Ano ba?
May pagkabog.
Hadong tiro eh.
Nagpigsubay sa lyrics.
Karaan ka na. Sana ya kay usay lagaw.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch watch it go. Make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got it.
Ah, imo dai mo. Ini saya. Ini iro agali, wa man.
Nagkot sa mga kabalas mga kendaraan nga mga pamaagi.
Kana dia lagkom ni.
Dili mabal. Ito? Tigning kating-kating. Kating-kating. Kung talikdan mo, piliing kabilin. Hay. Tungayo man eh. Wala tungayo ba? Ha?
Pinas kumayo ba?
Pamalita. Tungayo.
Ano mo? Tubig na pa. Naligid na ang lagkaw. Ay baso. Baso. Agay. Wala mo na kadalag sa baso. Ay cut. All.
Hi guys, welcome to my guys.
Wala mo ito magdala di ay.
Apil po.
Wah, anag. Anag all. Sana all.
Bay, iabol.
Agbol. Agbol na.
Agbol di sa bagar na luto. Dili libugtok na.
Nabuslat naman si Atbol.
Mura ka og manti abol.
Sa hinay. Hindi na bakit. Sa. Lord nang bahala.
Sige. Kayo hinog.
Magbahala.
Hinog bay.
Muna yung among baso diri guys.
Magbigas ng basa guys.
Ilang kabay. Sinanay gabaret yung kikaon. Akay.
Mau ingon lagi ko nayabo lagi sud anak.
Yan mo sila?
Di naman ko. Oh, ingon ni dad. Ang kutsara kan umba. Naada nang subla ng sili.
Bukto mo tanang bay.
Di na bahog.
Bukto naman tayo. Noon mo na yung lambog.
Dili mo na kuha na gisundang bay.
Bukto kay.
Muna magsipian nga dili bugtok ng isa ka sipi.
Lugar.
Wala sa lagman ra dito ako kuha nga dili bugtok.
Lugar. Biduay.
Aglabi naman ang kaos ng buwan eh.